don't want nobody stabbing me with love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the first ever video filmed in my new house. Actually, it's not. I did an empty house tour last week. If you guys haven't seen that, link down below. This is the first ever intro that I'm filming in my new room. I want to go shopping to get some new decor. Honestly, who knows what else I will come home with. But I thought it would be fun to have you guys decide on my Instagram what I should get. Today's video is actually sponsored by Olay and Walmart. So I'm super excited to go into Walmart and see the new Olay clay stick masks. They just came out with them. I think we're gonna go hop in the car and see what we can find. All right guys, so the first location we're going to today is Walmart. I'm gonna get a couple things here. One of them, the new Olay clay stick mask. The second thing I'm gonna get is actually some holiday decor. I cannot believe that it is already like November in time to decorate for the holidays. So I just wanna see what they have because I've had the same decorations for like quite a while. Lauren, my bestie girl, is here. If you guys don't watch my vlogs, this is my bestie girl. Hi. We found the aisle. Let's see. Here they are. So they have Fresh Reset, Pore Detox, and Glow Boost. So I think I'm gonna do, my first poll is gonna be which one should I use. So I think I'll do deciding between this one and this one. Okay, so I typed out my first poll, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna post this and then I'm gonna give it 10 minutes. Post it out on my story. If you're not following me on Instagram, you should. Okay guys, it has been 10 minutes. I'm officially checking the winner. I'm crossing my fingers that the pink one is the winner because you guys know that's my favorite color. Wait, it just glitched and told me that 100% is pink. That's not right. Dang it. Okay, no, actually I'm still excited. It's the gray one, which is the Glow Boost. I'm still excited to use that. This will actually be really nice because you guys probably can't tell because I'm wearing a freaking lot of makeup right now, but I've only been living in Salt Lake for like a week and my skin and Parker's skin, both of us are like totally breaking out because the air up here is just different. So I've actually really been looking forward to coming here, getting one of these and trying it out. The next thing that I'm going to look for is some holiday decor. Normally I have a pink and gold tree. I'm thinking that for one of the polls, I will see if you guys vote for red and green decor, like more traditional decor for my tree. Don't know how I feel about it, but I've never had red and green. So I think we'll find some ornaments. Let's see, which ones should we put on the poll? Like these ones? Here's the poll.
Why did it
Hold
just
on,
vibrate?
My screen's too bright. The camera vibrated?
Yeah, it's vibrating.
What?
It's vibrating again.
That's weird. Here's my poll. I feel like pink and gold will win.
I think so. They'll be
But
nice.
I don't know. We'll see. While we are waiting for the results of the Christmas polls, I started thinking about how Parker has been talking about how he really wants a tall green Christmas tree. So what we currently have, I don't even know how tall it is, just like a normal Christmas tree height, and it's white, and we've had that for the past 3 years. I just love a white Christmas tree. I think they're great. I think this camera's too bright. But since we're in the new house, if you guys have seen it in my other videos, it's like super tall. Like Parker was saying that he wants like a really tall green tree. And I was like, no, that just won't go. We don't need a new tree. But I don't know, guys. I want to be a nice wife. So I'm gonna let you guys decide. We're gonna go check out the trees. I guess we can check the results of the other poll really quick. Pink and gold's winning 56%. Okay, let's go get it. Put them in. Look at this tall beauty, guys. Made my Instagram story. Lauren actually thinks the green is gonna win.
I think so.
Do you really? Okay, so I'm gonna check the results. We're already walking towards the doors because this is me anticipating that the white tree is gonna win. And like I said, I already have a white tree at home, so I'm only buying a tree if it's the green one. So if it's green, we're gonna turn around.
Check the poll, girl. I already checked it.
Don't tell me. Okay, why are you smiling so much? That means green. Are you kidding me? You guys, what the freak? It is green 72%. That's not even close.
Come on.
How are we gonna fit this in your car?
Well, like, you know those people where they like strap it to like the roof?
That cannot be us. We might actually have to come back for real. All right, we are leaving Walmart, the #1 destination for beauty and Christmas tree decor. All right guys, so for my next one, I came to Urban. Ooh, you guys know, if you watch my vlogs, that I love my throw pillows, so we're gonna see what they have. Oh wait, I love this. This, wait guys, they have so much. I'm turning the camera back on to catch this. My bestie girl yelling at me because I have too many pillows.
Of the same pink pillow.
I know, yeah.
And now you want to replace them with these.
They're just so cute. Guys, I gotta switch it up, okay? I can't help it.
You just bought them.
Here's the next poll. Do I need these pillows? Lots of heart emojis, yes or no. So this is gonna be the next poll. So we're gonna have you guys vote between this one, which I don't really have a ton of blue in my house, but I actually like this a lot, or this one will match a little bit better. All right, so here's the next poll. I'm gonna ask you guys, what should the winner be? And I'm gonna check the results of the other poll. And I really hope you guys said I should get the pillows, even though we all know that I shouldn't. 78% said yes. All right, guys, we're getting 4. What one do you think is gonna win?
I think the blue one.
I hope people vote for the blue.
Yeah.
But they know I like pink, so.
But it's like, it's so much more different than anything.
I don't know. We'll see. Guys, Lauren showed me the poll before I was ready. How many minutes ago does it say it was?
9.
9? Dang it. 62% said blush. We both really wanted the blue. All right, let's go. My next store is IKEA. I'm only gonna do one poll here because I only have one thing that I like know I'm gonna get, and it is a light for over my kitchen table. So I really like this one. It's super cute. Or if you guys have seen the one in my last house, I don't know where it is. I'm gonna have to find it. Found it. So it's between this light and the other one. I really love both.
I think I actually might like this one better.
I don't know. Both of them are so cute. I'm taking a pic. Okay, Lauren's checking the poll. I really don't know which one I want to win.
I think I like the bottom.
I think so too, but I just already had that.
Oh.
The top! The top is winning. Okay, we gotta go get it. So we found it. Now we just have to actually find it. I actually literally don't see it, do you? Because I have to get one today, so they don't have it. I have to get the other one. I just tried to look it up online, and it's not letting me like check if it's in stock here. And I also can't buy it online. So I have to get this one. I'm not trying to be a cheater. It's so light. Do I look strong holding a big box?
Sure do.
All right, guys, so I'm home. I changed my sweater. I'm going to put all the new stuff I got in the house, but I wanted to put this on while I'm doing that. So first I'm gonna take off my makeup really quick. This is the one you guys voted for. This is the Olay Glow Boost. So this one is perfect for dull patches or an all-over glow. So open this up. How to use, put on your face, let sit for 10 minutes, rinse with water. I can do that. This is actually really nice because your hands don't get dirty. So I'm just gonna start applying this. Oh wait, is there literally something on top of this? That is so embarrassing. I was like, why do I not feel anything? That was just honestly so stupid of me. Put on my mustache. We are good to go. Olay masking it up. This is my new living room. We actually are gonna get a different couch because this living room's a lot bigger than our last one, so this couch is a little bit too small. These will go on my new couch. For now, I am gonna put them on this couch because they're so cute. I got 2 of each color. I also love these pillows. They're gonna stay on this couch when it goes upstairs. I love them. We also have this that you guys voted for. I think I'm going to put this, I don't know yet. I gotta figure it out. Okay, so I think I'm gonna put this rug here in front of the garage door just cause I don't really know where else to put it. Babe, guess what? Did you see my Instagram polls that I did?
Saw the one that you said the Christmas tree thing. Is that what you're talking about? Everyone said we should get a new Christmas tree.
I know!
Yeah, right? You can't have a little dinky Christmas tree in that corner.
Yeah, look how tall the ceilings are, guys.
It's gotta go all the way to the ceiling.
No!
I'm just kidding, but like halfway at least.
Yeah, the ceilings are pretty high, so we're gonna have a green tree that's pretty tall. We actually have to go back to Walmart and get that. I'm not gonna do that in this video because I'm not gonna put up my tree yet. Babe, can we hang up this light? Okay, so the light is up and finished. I think it looks super, super cute. So sorry that that one didn't actually win. But like I said, the other one was sold out. That is all for my video. I just went and rinsed off the face mask. It came off so easy. Seriously, it was like 30 seconds. I'm gonna have the mask linked down below, so make sure you guys check it out. Thank you again to Walmart and Olay for sponsoring. Today's video was so fun. It was fun to just like go out and have a normal shopping day and take you guys along. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you guys thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye, guys.
Thank you.